Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create CPAGrip account. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser in your PC. And then, once you're in your website or internet browser, go to CPAGrip.com. In here, you'll now be led to the website. Now hover to the upper right and you will see a register button. All you have to do is tap on it. In here, you just need to indicate the required field, or put in your details from your name, last name, company, website, street address, your city, and your region. Of course, go ahead, take your time in putting in the details. No rush, actually. This might take some time, so go ahead and I don't know, just be fast, or you could also skip if you're not yet planning on doing this. But the important thing here is you add in the state or the region, your postal code, your phone number, and your IM name, your time zone as well. And once you are already satisfied with the details that you've input and make sure they are clear and accurate and correct, all you have to do right now is type in or click Register Now button. It's also important that you add your email address, as this will be your primary way that they will be able to contact you or sending codes to verify it's truly you logging into the account. An important factor as well is a very strong password. In here it says please complete all required fields before continuing. That means you cannot leave any bar that is blank that has a red asterisk on it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.